It's pretty sweet that I have those. Yep. Something else came in the mail for me pretty recently. Thought I'd show them off a bit. Trying to basically justify buying a set of wheels for now. Oh, it's a low battery warning. There you go. And finally, I got the money together to finally get them. Yeah, 15x7, 5x98, 25 offset Ronal A1s. So yeah, they should look pretty damn good on the Milano. So yeah, we'll wait until next payday, I think, and buy some tires for them. And yeah, set of 4, and then with the caps, that's just the spare caps. I actually have the proper alpha ones. Yeah, see, yeah. I actually bought them through EB Spares in the United Kingdom. Because I'm in Canada, we don't really pay duty for stuff from the United Kingdom, and so yeah, I ended up saving like $500 Canadian on this set of 4 wheels, in opposed to buying them from the States. So yeah, pretty sweet.